Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kadadevaru, computer teacher for standard 3rd. So children, in the last video we had studied about elements of multimedia and applications of multimedia. So in this video we are going to study about multimedia software and how to install a multimedia program from a CD and DVD, and also about some of the games. So children, let us begin. So children, installing a multimedia program from a CD or a DVD. So the steps to be followed to install a multimedia program are: first thing is you have to insert the disk in the CD or the DVD disk drive. After that, you have to double click on my computer icon, which you can see on the desktop of your computer or the laptop. So after inserting the CD or DVD in the disk drive, you have to double click on the my computer icon, and then at the bottom it shows the CD or the DVD drive icon. So you have to double click on it and then double click on setup icon. In some CDs, computers can run the disk automatically, but in some of them, if it does, you can directly start with next step. So the steps to follow or the steps to be followed to install the software is: first one is you have to click on start button, that is after the installation is complete. After the setup icon, the installation will start. In some of the computers it runs automatically, where after installation is complete, what you have to do, you have to click on start button, then click on all programs, and then select the program that you just installed from the list. So children, some of the educational discs are given in your textbook. Those are Leapfrog Learning DVDs, Oxford Children's Encyclopedia, My Amazing Human Bodies. So children, nowadays there are CDs you can simply insert in your drive and then they start playing on their own, where there is no need of installing. So these are called as self-running or auto start CDs. Before, there was a requirement to install the CDs or the DVDs. Nowadays we get the auto start CDs or the self-running CDs, where as soon as you insert the CD or the DVD in your DVD drive, automatically it starts playing. So such type of the CDs or the DVDs are called as self-running or auto start CDs and DVDs. Next comes multimedia software. So children, multimedia software is the software where you can play and display all sorts of media such as music, videos, pictures, etc. There is an example of Windows Media Player. So children, for that you have to click on all programs. When you click on all programs, you get the list of programs that are there in your computer. So click on Windows Media Player. So what does this do? It it is used to run an audio or a video CD. So to start this Windows Media Player, first what you have to do, you have to click on start, which is present here. Next all programs. Next go to Windows Media Player. So in this Windows Media Player, you can see play, stop, reverse, forward, isn't it? You can see here forward, backward, you can pause, or you can also play the video, isn't it? So on the computer screen you will see the information about the video or the video CD, total play time, that is how much time is taken for the video to complete, or currently playing video, how much time it takes. So this is all about multimedia software. Next we have playing games. So children, playing games are very effective, that is you can learn the things very effectively. So the research has also shown that games improve the students reasoning skills, creativity and memory. So children, no need to tell you about the games, as you are all are very familiar with the games better than me, I hope, isn't it? So there is a game called Pebble Place. It is a computer game designed to teach kids about colors, shapes and patterns. So children, to start this game, what you have to do, go to first start button, all programs, and then select games. And in games you get a list of games that are being installed in your computer, and select the game. So as we are talking about Pebble Place, we will click on Pebble Place and the screen gets opened. So when you click on game menu, what happens? You have to select the new game Pebble Cakes, or new game Pebble Shop, or new game Comfy Page. Here let us select new Comfy Cakes and then select difficulty windows. Say for the it may be a beginner or some like that. So after selecting the difficulty level, the windows will open and just you have to start playing. As each cake will appear on the TV set as a top left corner, you can see here it is showing you beginner, intermediate, advanced, isn't it? So as we are first starting it, we can start with beginner and then start. So you can see the TV set at the left corner. You have to bake a cake that matches the one on the TV set. So children, here you have showing the in the top left corner there is a cake, and you have to select from this which matches to this one. So you have to use the arrow buttons present on the screen to move your cake on the platform. So after that you can also close this game by clicking the close option that is present at the top right corner, that is here top right corner of the window. So this is one game that has been explained in the textbook. You have very familiar with many games and you all are already playing in the mobiles, isn't it? So some of the games which are interesting and can be played on the computer are internet checkers, minesweepers, internet space, solitaire, etc. You can find some other games as well. So I hope the lesson is very interesting and you all are using many of the multimedia elements, isn't it? Okay, so the chapter is completed and the notes will be given to you later.